Thank you so much for all the love for this episode of 90 Day Fiance.
Yay! Finally!
Yeah, if you want to keep following Jessica, go to her Instagram, Jess Caroline _ I'm watching Kalani. And book a cameo from her, okay? Keep following her. Her hashtag name is Why you so obsessed with Jessica and me? Boy, I want to know. The show was a while ago, and you know. So take my damn photo down of your infant's account, or secret's gonna be revealed in nothing in the court. Oh, you never put your shirt, sir? Oh. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Guys, everyone is asking me about the surgery, the nose job, the bug job. I can't talk about the scenes just when the scene airs. So I would love to share my experience, everything, okay? But I need to wait the scene air. Once this air, I'll be able to answer direct message. I'll be able to do question answers. But until there, I need to be quiet, okay?
Hello. Tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, only on my OnlyFans will you be able to watch me live my reactions to tonight's episode. Just become a subscriber. Think about it. Hundreds of millions of people watch this show, and I'm going to watch it live and be highly embarrassed. What will happen? Will I cry? And you can talk to me, make fun of me, or cheer me on. Just subscribe to my OnlyFans.
So hi guys, just update. Thank you so much for all the info about the attorneys. It's not a criminal attorney, it's a divorce attorney because I have agreement with him and I do not authorize him choosing in any degree my photos, images on his OnlyFans accounts. I don't care if it's a cartoon, I don't care what it is. I just don't want to be related to him. Oh Larissa, but you talk about him on the show. The show was filmed a while ago and he sent my nudes to his girlfriend that sent to her husband. So this is a felony here in the United States. But my family law attorney, he lost his mother and unfortunately he could not take this case. So now I don't want to be quiet anymore. So guys, he not only sent my nudes to his girlfriend, she sent to her husband because her husband came to me and was like, oh, why are you doing that? I have your nudes, so freak out now, thinking how I have your photos and everything. He sent my friend Jessica. So as a Brazilian, I need to protect Jessica at that time that was filmed. And I don't want to be related. Jessica has family in Brazil. I have family in Brazil that we send money. It's not fair. We spend the money that we could send to our families for sue this guy. But his only way that is gonna stop is be sued. Okay, let's go. Let's go by the court. Explain why you are sending my nudes. Explain why you keeping talk about all the people. Explain why you try to meet my boyfriend and say that you want to make money using my breakup with him. Explain everything for the court, and stop, grow, be a man. Stop with this shit. Nobody care anymore. Okay, you got a roasted, destroyed season. Accept that you are a loser and you're gonna die a loser because you're never gonna grow. You're never gonna learn.
Under arrest, and the only way out of jail is by subscribing to my OnlyFans account.
For everyone curious, the size of my waist is that. Very small. Thank you, Dr. Smith. I'm loving day by day my new body.
Morning coffee, you gotta call up on me.
Promise. And Jessica.